All right, concrete videos. These are pretty straightforward. They're going to be in chronological order. Um, yeah, these are probably going to be the simplest videos to do in terms of like not using too much creative power, I guess. A lot of that would be done with the filming. So, like I said, chronological order. Let me put this on. Super simple. You just get your footage, arrange it in chronological order, and then you start picking out, the most interesting pieces as it goes. Like when the concrete truck arrives, the concrete pouring down the chute. Let's see what else. This one was a little different. Usually they have a concrete pump guy with a hose. This one's a little different. Like I said, these don't need to be um, anything crazy. Okay, after you got all your clips chosen and laid out on the timeline, this is what we have.
Tenemos lo que queremos y gastamos porque podemos y salimos en las fotos no nos vemos y en los deportivos nos movemos. Soy el bueno y ando con los buenos. Cuando humo es puro veneno, no soy malo y tampoco culero, pero a los envidiosos les paro el dedo. Ay, yo quiero más y ya te llegan otra nena.
All right, so then a lot of these clips are pretty simple, almost static. So then we're going to want to add in our zoom in linears and then the zoom out linears. All right, after adding a mixture of zoom ins and zoom outs, this is what we have.
Tenemos lo que queremos y gastamos porque podemos y salimos en las fotos no nos vemos y en los deportivos nos movemos. Soy el bueno y ando con los buenos. Cuando humo es puro veneno, no soy malo y tampoco culero, pero a los envidiosos les paro el dedo. Ay, yo quiero más y ya te llegan otra nena.
And then on the zoom in and zoom outs, you have this target, and then you're able to move that around and zoom in on specific parts. So, like on this clip, instead of it zooming on the center, like to his hat, we moved it down, and then it adds the subtle zoom in towards wherever you put the target. And that is essentially it for this. Sound design isn't really there on this one. So this is pretty simple, easy. We were missing drone shots on this one, so we just had to stick with camera shots. So it just starts off in the beginning. We try to choose like the best clip, something interesting to start it off. And then we go in chronological order as the work progresses for these. So it's pretty simple. It's just piecing it together, choosing the best clips, and that is it.